If you have been struggling to receive your online income as an US resident, today is your breakthrough. I'll show you step by step on how to create a US bank account from anywhere in the world using Geegpay, so you can finally get paid smoothly for your work from home hustle. The link to open your US bank account is already in the description, so let's dive in. Guys, the website is called Geegpay by Renest, and this is my dashboard. From the look, you can see my name and all my accounts. My balance is only $0.532, which is equivalent to 4.18 Kenyan shillings. To this case, this is the if you convert this 0.532 to Kenyan shillings, you will get 4.18, which is also equivalent to $0.5. Then guys, not $0.5, but all my accounts, the Kenyan shillings and the USD, if you combine them, you will get 0.532. If you combine the 4.18 and 0.50 US dollars, and my euro account balance is 000. So this is the dashboard of Geegpay, and I can show you step by step guide on how to create. You need to go to a website and search for Geegpay. Then this is the website, the first one. Let's click the first one. You will see Geegpay is a global banking for Africans professionals. So I think it's majorly for Africans. Anywhere in the part of Africa, you can just create this bank account. So easy setup bank accounts in US dollars, Great Britain pound, and euro to effortlessly accept payment from around the world. Plus, enjoy the convenience of USD virtual debit card for your global expenses. So there is an added advantage because they will give you a virtual debit card, so you can shop easily without any issue. And it's amazing, fast payout, super, mind-blowing rates, no conversion rates, awesome, perfect, reliable. Guys, I've been using Geegpay for more than an year now, and I can't complain. It's trusted by over 700k freelancers. Geegpay provides African professionals with a swift and full operational solution to receive payments from overseas clients more efficiently, all while reducing unnecessary fees. You can see. Then how it works: 3 simple steps to set up your Geegpay account. Create an account, sign up with your legal names, set up a strong password, and confirm email verification. After that, verify your account. You will complete details such as your profile, bank, employment, and identity verification. The next thing, you will create your bank accounts and debit cards. At this stage, you are on your way to getting paid hassle-free. Loved by freelancers, creators, and remote workers at Upwork, Andela, Fiverr, and Amazon Kindle. So guys, you can see it's a very nice company. Spend right away with your USD virtual card and stuff. Go global with the full stack virtual bank accounts that caters to you. Instantly create virtual USD euro. So after going through their website and their testimonials, let's see if some of their testimonials. Our users are happy with Geegpay. Encouraging you to use our product is one thing, but hearing what other users have to say about Geegpay is entirely different experience. There is this Akinyela Yusuf, independent contractor. There was a time I was in a mess of me looking for a bank account to link with my PayPal account. I tried different banks, but it got rejected. I found Geegpay and it worked in linking to PayPal, and I was able to withdraw my funds from PayPal to Geegpay very fast. You can see some of their testimonials. Sometimes last year, a client in the US was ready to cancel a project if I didn't provide a US bank account for him to pay into. Geegpay helped me with the virtual account, and I was able to save the project. Real let's save as. That is Francesco. I just started using Geegpay about a month ago and I am very impressed. The fees are very reasonable and the transfer times are swift, secure and reliable. Guys, you'll need to go through all the testimonials and see it's a trusted company. Then if you want to create your account, you'll just click here, create an account. Then you will decide whether you are a freelancer or you want to create a company account. Let's say you are a freelancer, like for me, I'm a freelancer. So once you click there, you can select your country of residence. See, Geeg supports only Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, Uganda, Egypt, South Africa and Rwanda. So if you are residents of these countries listed here, you are at an advantage. Next, and okay guys, if you don't belong to any of these countries, comment on my comment section so that I can create the best bank account for you. Then I want to create a company. No, in this case we don't want to create a company. Let's say you are from Nigeria. Click Nigeria, then continue. Enter your work email. Here you'll put your email, then referral codes if you are referred by someone, then continue. As a freelancer, you'll get a foreign bank account in USD, GBP, Euro, virtual SD card, convert to your local currency, create and automate invoices, request payment, then you will continue. So after continuing and verifying your email, you'll be able to do your KYC verification, and then afterwards, this will be the last part. You will have a bank account. Then if you want to receive money in USD from the US, maybe you will click USD. Like in this case, these are my bank details. If I want to receive money from the US, I'll use these details. So you will have your all accounts: Kenyan shillings account, USD account, Euro account, and invoices. You'll be able to see your invoices here, cards, wallet, transactions, payment, bills. So if you want to receive money from the US, just click USD. You will copy your details and be able to see your account statements. So your money will be here. Then you will convert funds into your local currency and you are done. After that, you can enjoy your hard-earned money. So guys, if this video was something you needed, kindly like, subscribe and share with your friend. Also, don't forget to comment what you'd like me to create next. Stay tuned because I always upload new videos about work from home, ideas and cheat codes. Till next time, goodbye.